Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss about another question of subject computer oriented numerical methods, that is, give the stepwise output of Gauss elimination algorithm for this matrix. Now let us solve this question. Here in this matrix we have to first of all see the values which are coming in a diagonal form. Here 10, 8, 4, 4 is coming as a diagonal line, since we have to convert the values below these diagonal lines into 0. That is these 3 rows, these 2 rows and this 1. So by row operation we can convert these values into 0. So starting from this row, R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 upon 10 into minus 6, and similarly R3, and we have done for R4 also. Now we have converted these three values into 0. Now the next step is to convert these two values also into 0. Now by again performing row operations, R3 is equal to R3 minus R2 upon 3.8 into 3.1, and similarly R4 minus R2 upon 3.8 into 5.5. Now we have also converted these two rows into 0. Now the next step is to convert this third column's last row into 0. R4 gives R4 minus R3 upon 2.45 into minus 2.35. Now, since we have found converted these values into 0, now we can write this whole matrix into an equation form. Here we can see the equation written as, here we will put the first row as coefficient of x, second row coefficient of y, third row coefficient of z, and fifth row coefficient of k. Now by saying this fourth equation, we can say that we can find the value of k by solving this equation. Since we solved this equation and we got the value k is equal to 1.017, and by putting this value of k in third equation, we can find the z equation. Sorry, value of z. Now by putting the value of k in third equation, we got z is equal to 6.9775, which is approximate value to the 7. So here we are assuming 7 as z as 7 only. Now putting the value of this z into second equation. Here we already got the value of k. Now we found the value of z. Now we are putting this both value into second equation in order to find y. So we by putting the values, we got y is equal to 1.42. Similarly, as we have done earlier, now we got the values of y, z and k. Now we will put these three values into the first equation in order to find the x. That is our last variable. So putting all the values in first, we will, by solving it, we got x is equal to minus 1.01, which is approximately 1. So here we got our answer to our question, that is to find the output by using Gauss elimination method. We got 1.43, z is equal to 7 and k is equal to 1.017. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.